Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you converting of this simple plain blouse to new designer blouse, that too making of bridal designer pattern in Ari Maggam work that we are recreating using the normal stitching needle. This I am preparing for the coming festive of Sankranti, that is Pongal. I want to make this simple blouse to designer blouse. So now I'll be using, this is the pearl lace, in between the pearl work has done, and this is of 20 rupees per meter. I took 2 meters for this designing. That means for complete blouse designing I took approximately 2 meters, and towards the sleeve openings I will be placing the lace like this and giving an invisible stitches on it. Ensure the stitches which we are giving shouldn't be visible because that may reflect the final finishing, and this is how we have to give the stitches. For that I will be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. I'm done with the sleeve opening designing with the lace. The same lace I will be placing it on this neckline also, and I'll give the same stitches. I have almost every type of designing, and I would like to go with the bridal pattern which is of wonky designing. I hope you will also like it. For that I'd be giving the markings place on the fold of the sleeve. Here I'd be using the paper and I have folded into 2 from this stitch, leaving approximately 2 inches, and here also of 1.5 inches like this, and giving the curve shape markings. This is to get the perfection of the wonky shape. The shape something would look like this, and on this marked shape I will be giving the cut. Now I am unfolding this. This is how the wonky shape would look. The same I'll place on this sleeve fold, the same folded line, and giving the markings. Once this marking has done, then we have to turn to another side and same markings has to be given. Now I'm turning this to another side. Same here. The fold, I'm just reversing it like this and giving the curve shape markings. And for this wonky designing I'd be using here the pearl lace, also the chain ball lace. Instead of pearl lace you can also try with the stone lace, and this is how we have to place it first accordingly, and now applying the glue a little bit widely. So 3 lines we have to create here: chain ball lace, pearl lace, again with the chain ball lace. So 3 lines, the same border line has to be created with the glue line. These are very expensive designer patterns which really gives a royal look, but if you know how to create the pattern we can also try this on stitched blouses. This is the example of that. Now I'm going with the chain ball lace. So on either sides we have to stick the chain ball lace. The center will be the pearl lace. All these materials which I have used for this beautiful designing was easily available in the fancy store, tailoring material shops. Also online links has given in the description box. If you want you can check it. And further the leftover we have to give the horizontal and vertical line with a gap of 1 inch. Both the sides we have to give the same markings. On the upper side of the curve also I'd be using the same chain ball lace, also with the pearl lace. Further the center part of the designing I'd be going with this big size of kundan, drop shape red color, and this I'm highlighting with the same chain ball lace and pearl lace, and once dried this is how it looks. Underneath this also I'd be giving the small size of drop shape, highlighting with the chain ball lace and the pearl lace. Now towards the inner side I'd be applying the glue dot like this, followed with 6 dots, the center with the red color, and Remaining 6 with the white color, that means silver color. These are medium size kundans of circular shape. Maintaining the same gap, I would be creating the same flower shape all around this curve. This is to fill in this curve shape uniquely. Now we have to highlight these vertical and horizontal lines. For that I will be applying the glue lines. I had already measured accordingly. The same we have to stick it here. Instead of here chain bow lace, you can also work with the pearl lace. I am now using flower rings. This is how it looks. We have to give the stitch in the center of this square. You can also apply the glue, then give the stitches. It will make your work easy. The same way, all the squares has to be filled with these flower rings in the center. These flower rings are very cheap, which is of 1 tula is 10 rupees. For the complete blouse designing, here I'd be going with the 2 tulas. Now once it is completely dried, that means the chain bow lace, also the pearl lace, we have to give an invisible stitches on each and every line because the glue is not sufficient for long run. So we have to give an invisible stitches on it so that even after the frequent washes it will stay. I'm done with the sleeves designing, and now I'd place the lace on the neckline. Also the leftover gaps has to be filled with these flower rings. Placing it like this, I'll give the stitch for the joining, and in between these flower rings I'll be sticking small size of red color kundans. We have to give an invisible stitches on the lace like this on the complete neckline towards the back, also the front neckline towards right side. Before the blouse, this is how it looks. It is very simple, but I made into this designer blouse. Really friends, I don't have any words to say. This is towards the left hand side, the complete designing of the blouse, which is really looking awesome in the royal look, which I can try this for party wear collection or the festive collection. And this is towards the right side. This is one of the special blouse which I have, which is looking very unique and creative, isn't it? I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do try this pattern and share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing